This is our solar pond aerator system, designed to help keep your pond fresh, active, and healthier using clean solar energy. The system is simple, practical, and easy to install. At the heart of the unit is a stainless steel submersible pump, built to operate underwater and move water efficiently through the floating spray head. Here, you can see how the pump connects directly to the black floating base. The spray nozzle is installed on the top, fitting by hand. No complicated tools are required. Just align the nozzle, turn it carefully, and make sure it is firmly seated. Once the nozzle is installed, the AquaFloat unit is ready to be placed into the pond. The black floating base keeps the spray head above the surface, while the pump body remains underwater, exactly where it needs to be. From a kayak, small boat, or from the pond edge, the unit can be gently lowered into the water. Once it is floating in position, the system begins to circulate and aerate the pond. The fountain pattern helps move the water, increase oxygen exchange, and create a clean, relaxing visual effect. This helps support healthier fish, reduce stagnant areas, and improve the overall appearance of your pond. AquaFloat is ideal for small ponds, lakes, farms, and backyard water features. Solar-powered, easy to install, reliable in the field. AquaFloat, clean water, healthy ponds powered by the sun.